ready to make noise. Set it straight or something wrong. That work?
Yeah, I'm glad I don't have my hearing aids in. Oh.
I got another one in here. All good. You live here in Winchester?
No, I live in, near Charlestown.
Oh, Charlestown.
I moved down here in March, or in December.